the Ravi PK podcast show, and I am so glad to have you here. So, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling like no more or less like fantastic, and like today I know finally I got the chance like to be a
Oh,
part
yeah.
for your YouTube channel. Thank you so much, like Ravi. Yeah, thanks,
Yeah,
everybody.
it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. So, how long have you been following me?
Yeah, I think one more than 1 year. Yeah, more than 1 year.
Oh, wow, that's great. Wow, that's great. That's great. So, Lakshmi, may I know a little bit about yourself?
Sure, sure, definitely. And hi everyone. And my name is Lakshmi, and I am from Andhra Pradesh. Professional, I'm an English teacher. Yeah, I'm a homemaker. I'm a mother. I'm also a YouTuber. This is all about me. Thank you, Ravi.
Oh, wow, wow, that's a lovely introduction.
Thank you.
So, Lakshmi, I would like to say about myself because you don't know much more things about me.
Yeah.
So, and as you know, this is Ravi PK, and I'm originally from Bihar, but right now I'm calling from Ludhiana, Punjab. So here I have been living last 6 years, and here I have been living, doing, and running my own business, just like Winter Jacket, last 2 years. And along with Winter Jacket business, I have been writing my own book last few, month. And as well as I have been also, running my English podcast. So you know very well where I, usually take interview with someone else around the world level. So this is little bit Lakshmi about myself.
Sounds good. And like, no, you're a multitasker.
Yeah. Because if people want to become unstoppable, so we should be multitasker, personality in our life.
So definitely.
So Lakshmi, how your day like? How was your daily routine? May I know?
Yeah, sure, sure, definitely. Why not? I usually I woke up at like 6:30. No, within in between 6 to 7, and after that just ablutions. My just I will complete my obligations. Then after I will take care of my kid and household things like kitchen work, and after that washing clothes and 10:30 or maybe 10 o'clock. My son's online classes will start. Before that 8:50 he has assembly, and after that, like 10 minutes assembly. After that, he has 10:30 his online classes start, first class. And after that, 12:45 second class. And again 2:30 third class. 4 o'clock fourth class.
Okay.
Only 4 classes,
Uh,
4 hours schedule. Then after, they will
uh,
send his homework on their WhatsApp group. Again, I have to rewrite the on that notebook, and I have to after that,
hmm,
I'm requesting to him. Please write down,
hmm,
write down. For requesting,
hmm,
I have it will
hmm.
take 3 hours time. This is all about my
Oh,
nowadays
wow.
routine. Then after, in the
Oh,
meanwhile,
wow. That.
I will make a
Uh,
videos for my YouTube channel, and I will ask request to the people, and please be ready my schedule. Then they will also ready. Then I'll make videos with that people. Then I will upload in my YouTube channel. This is my present
oh, wow, wow.
routine.
Wow, wow, that's great. That's a lovely. So let me know. I have seen lots of people, especially household girls. Okay, means they are marriage. So they are engaged with someone work with their family. They are not finding good quality time to learn these such kinds of English skills, which skills can help to their career. So what things inspire you to learn English skills? Because in this age you are learning English, so this is the good things.
Yeah, I my like in my point of view from 10th my from my 10th class onwards, I love English subject. It's my one of my favorite subject, like
Okay.
most inspired subject. Like my principal sir is the he is the English teacher. In my 10th class, one of the
Uh,
favorite he is inspired to me, and in my intermediate, one of the madam inspired to me. In my degree, one of the madam
hmm,
inspired. To me. Every
hmm,
stage, I have that inspiration regarding English subject. Then I got that love passion to learn and enhance my communication skills and learn anything like idioms, phrases, whatever it may be. Then got that interest.
hmm.
I want to improve more and more. My a long term goal is I want to become a great and professional speaker, advanced speaker.
Oh,
For
oh,
that I want
wow,
to
wow.
in my point of view, just I will just strongly believe, like for getting knowledge, there is no limit. Sky is the only limit for getting knowledge, and that too, to be honestly, to be frankly, we know just to edge of the nail. We have to know we want to get a lot of things. Just we know edge of the nail.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all about me.
Wow, wow, that's good. That's good. And Lakshmi, I would like to, one more question. Being a housewife, maybe you would have lots of work with your family and many more things. So, what are the challenges right now you are facing while learning such kinds of English skills?
Obviously, like anyone drop the message in our WhatsApp groups, just I want to talk to a lot of people with huge number of people. But at the same time, like if I click that number, dial that number, immediately my son will be, like behind of me. Then, oh God, what are you doing? With whom are you are talking? He will disturb to me. This is big challenge. Like
Okay,
at the
okay.
same time,
Means your son is very first challenge.
exactly, exactly. At the same time,
Okay.
my family members, like my parents, will ask to me, "Why you are talking? You are talking your own self, like you are not taking care of your kid and his studies and his online classes, everything." This is like big challenges of whatever I am facing right now.
Oh wow. So how do you handle those kinds of challenges, Lakshmi?
No, like necessity is mother of invention. Like no, I have that burning desire. I have that strong determination. I wanna like no, I already considered to you. I wanna like improve more and more. Like to become a like no advanced speaker, to
Mm.
become a like no professional speaker. If I like no, yeah, if I not practice, if I not know the things, then nothing. I will not develop myself. For that, I have to practice more and more. Yeah, challenge is okay, days are okay, just going and like no, but I don't want to like no, my tell my lame excuses. I want to practice more and more.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Wow, that's great. That's a lovely. So I would like to, another question. So what's your like a best memory with? It could be your family, siblings. Whatever. It could be your husband. Man.
Yeah. Like yeah, and whenever I like just I in my childhood, and like I and my brother went to like a weekly once or twice. I like we went to movie like the theater. Like we
Okay.
enjoyed a lot. Like
Uh-huh.
those like in every childhood days, like everyone's childhood days, there is no responsibilities, there is no tensions, and there is no like no
Uh,
no,
uh-huh.
we will enjoy a lot. We enjoyed a lot. No, like others, and I and like my brother also enjoyed, and we went a lot of movies, and we saw a lot of movies. And after that, like we did like ate something outside, and we came out, like again home to our home. Then I enjoyed a lot with my brother, and those are like no golden days for me. I never like no forget about that, and I never feel like that days. Those are very very like
Oh,
no enjoyable days for me.
oh wow, that's great. That's great. Great. So I would like to another one question. So what was the like best learning in your life?
Best learning.
Best learning.
Yeah, best
That would be
learning.
very,
Yeah,
good.
please carry on,
Life
carry on.
changing. Yeah.
Like,
That would be life changing.
yeah, means it means like an instant or educational career. What like you are what like what on what topic you are asking? Best learning means
Best learning in your life
okay,
means
yeah,
like from your mistake, yeah, from your failure, yeah, from someone else. What is your
exactly.
best learning?
Yeah, learning means like whenever I just see just other persons, whenever I listen to other persons like speech or like their English, just I'm thinking, oh God, like I can't develop this. I'm not developing like big like them. Just I want to know, like I want to learn a lot of things. Just I'm nothing, like no, sometimes I'm feeling I'm nothing. I don't know anything. Just I have to develop myself. Because of that, just I am regretting myself. Oh God, I am not giving time for myself, and I am not practicing with the people.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Like,
So
yeah,
I would
learning.
like to add one more. Yeah, yeah,
Ravi,
please,
Ravi,
please, please
sorry
carry
for
on.
the interruption, but I want to tell one thing. Like learning, like there is no stop. Like no life is a like no. As a teacher, learning is like no, it's a lifelong process. Learning never
It's a
stops.
lifeline.
To stop the
Yeah,
learning,
it
then
will never stop.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. People can die, but learning cannot be die.
definitely, yeah.
Wow, wow, that's great. So, what was the like a best like a moment that made you cry? Maybe it could be like a books, yeah, some emotional person with the help of emotional person with the help of TV series.
Sure, sure. Definitely. I wanna tell
What
to
was
you.
the
Yeah, like
yeah?
no song. Okay, that song, it's a inspirational or like a motivational song. I saw that like in that
Hmm.
song, like blind people are there, deaf people are there, physically handicapped people are there, but they are blessed with different talents. Like a like no fluters like no they are singing. They have the talent, blessed with the singing and like no instruments they can able to like no play that instruments, piano, guitar, flute, everything. They have that like not every talent, but they can't do anything. Why? Because of they are deaf, dumb and blind and like physically handicapped people. Whenever I saw we like watched that song and I cried a lot. Why? Because of, we have everything like organically we have everything like no physics and everything, but we can't do anything. Then
Right.
those people like they have like they are blind and they are deaf and dumb and they're physically handicapped. They but they have talented people. Like no, I cried a lot. But whenever I just visit, like no, watch that songs or movies, and I will cry myself.
Oh wow, that's a very emotional
Exactly.
like experience you
Yeah,
have
I
go
watched,
through.
like a girl, she is a very great singer. She is in like singing very in a very well manner. I saw in a Facebook. She has that like no
Okay.
like a talent.
Oh wow,
Yeah,
that's great.
like automatically our like tears will come out.
Okay, that's great. So I would like to one question also. What was the moment, yeah, last time your friend said great things about you?
Exactly. And when recently I completed MA English, and yeah, obviously, like I'm a like a helpful person to everyone. I'm a jovial person, and like if anyone asks like regarding like my academics, like topics or like materials, everyone will ask to me. Everyone will approach to me regarding this like no material or like a question banks or like questions like answers. Everyone will ask to me. They praise a lot of me. If anyone asks like they have doubt and ask that Lakshmi will help to us. Definitely Lakshmi will help to us. Ask anything to
Uh,
Lakshmi. Yeah, this is all about my like I got
oh wow.
friends.
Wow, wow. That means I can see and I can absorb your very kind-hearted personality. You love help to people and serve to
Yes,
people. So I
yes.
love it. I love it. So Lakshmi, would you like to ask any question, one question from my side?
Yeah, like yeah, sure. Like what was the like you observed, you talk with a lot of people, you did like podcast with a lot of people. What do you observed like in that people? What like what are you get the experience? You share your experience.
So I would like to summarize in a short way. Okay, so what are the things I absorb? Okay, more things and impactful things. So number one things, I have seen lots of people, they are not good listener. Means
Mm,
most of people, they are not able to listen to another people words, their message. Okay, in a wonderful way.
yeah.
So I developed habit of listening skills. So that's the reason I can listen continuously. Doesn't matter how much time it will take, because I love listen to people, because only way to learn from people. So if we are good listeners, so definitely we can learn from another people, because I have a limited knowledge, experience, mindset, skill set. Okay, if I will learn from myself, if I am thinking, yeah, I can learn from myself, so it will not help for us. So I am always trying to learn from another people, because you have a different kinds of skills, knowledge, experience, and life lessons, so I can learn. So if you will listen me, so definitely you can also learn with the help of your good listening skills. So these
Exactly.
things I absorb, and another thing is absorption skills. Means what are the things I can absorb? I can take away from them. I can implement those lessons in my career so that I can become unstoppable. So these things I learned from many
Great.
more people.
Yeah, that is the reason I already like considered to you. Like, no, good listener always became a good like no speaker. We have to listen to
Speaker,
us.
yeah, yeah.
Become a great speakers. Definitely,
Yeah,
it's very.
yeah. So I'm trying to become a best listener in this world, so that I
Definitely,
can learn many more things.
it's a lifelong process, Ravi. You know, like the English is a big
Yeah,
ocean. Drive easily. No, like if
yeah.
you, yeah, like if like some people they're thinking like that work out, this is a stop. It like it's they feel like that's just a satisfaction. It's enough. But maybe like no, a lot of like
Hmm.
billions of words are there. Like every day they are changing and new words are coming. It's not easy to drive in that ocean. It's not a like one day or 1 month or 1 week process. It's a lifelong process.
Hmm.
Unbreakable, like unbreakable challenge, unbreakable, like task.
And give me your valuable time. Have a good day. God bless you.
It's my pleasure, Ravi, and like yeah, thank you so much, and thanks a bunch for like to
Yeah.
be a part. Like I'm very happy to be